Last week, I booked 13 sales call just by sending messages on WhatsApp. No ads, no funnel, no complicated automation. Just me, a simple message, a list of phone numbers. And today, I'm gonna give you the complete playbook. Every messages, every setting, every strategies that's working right now in 2026. Booyah! All right. So here's what nobody tells you about making money online. You don't need a massive following. You don't need a fancy website. You need to go viral on TikTok. What you need is the ability to start a conversation with people who has money and a problem you can solve. This is true for everything. Even in real life. You don't need that's that's it. That's the entire game. The whole game from the bottom up. It's just you having conversation. And you will see this element that happens a lot in your life, okay? So just make sure you remember this, okay? The fastest way for me to start this conversation right now with big business owner or WhatsApp. Boom, easy step. Or business owner, client, wherever it works. So I'm gonna show you the exact system that I use to book 10 to 15 qualified clients every single week. I did the same system that generated me so much revenue in the last 90-ish day. That essentially is just insane. Okay. So let me get into it, right? So before I show you the tactic, you need to understand the strategy. But if you just copy what I do without understanding why it works, you will fail. So here's the core principle. People buy from people they trust. Trust is built through personal communication. Trust. That's the big word here. Think about it, right? When was the last time you responded to a cold email? Probably never. But what if someone messages you on WhatsApp with something relevant or personalized? You'll probably just read it. Think about it. If your friend texts you on your WhatsApp, what do? You'll read it, text them back, because that is personalized and is relevant to you. And that's the reason why WhatsApp have three massive advantage. Advantage one is personal. So this is where people talk to their friend, family, and close contacts. So when you message someone here, you already trusted the space, and so in return, you trust the person that contact you as well. Two, it's direct. There's no spam folder, no promotion tab, and your message just goes straight to their phone with a notification. Three, it's global, so they're 2.7 billion user. And if you're doing any kind of outreach, local, national, international, your prospect are probably on WhatsApp. Everyone that has a phone number are most likely have WhatsApp. Simple. But here's the part that people screw up. They treat WhatsApp like email. They blast generic message and they wonder why nobody responds. But this playbook is a bit different. It's about quality conversation at scale. Okay? So let's build the system for ground up, right? First, you need people to message. Where to get the phone number? Method one is manual scraping. Google Map is essentially your gold mine. Search for a target business, med spa in Miami, auto shop in Austin, real estate agent in Denver, or if you're trying to get a client, like normal human, go to Yellow Book, search up their address, you'll most likely get their phone number, or you go to any real estate website, find the person that their house is, the phone number of the house is listed under it. You can get the phone number, boom. And then you click on each person, copy their phone number, put it in a spreadsheet. It's a bit tedious, but it's free. And it's free and it works. That's all you need. Use Google Map in incognito mode to see more result without the location bias that you have. Oftentimes your phone will have a location bias and other cookie that you already have in there that will make it so that they'll show you more shops, show you different shop. A second method, lead database. So this is paid using site like Apollo, Uplead, ZoomInfo, and you can filter it by industry, location, company size, revenues. Um, Something that you can use, like I said, Yellow Page. You can pay for the Yellow Page to have the information. Download the list with phone number included. This costs money up here, around $100 and $300 a month, depending on the volumes, depending on the tools too. But it will save you hours. Method three is using a scraping tool, which is essentially the middle ground of all of this. You can use tool like Scraper, Phantom Buster, and then it can automate scrape on Google Map, Business Directory, and then you can set the parameter, um, like the industry, the location, and it'll pull the data for you from their own database. Well, it is a lot cheaper, so like $50 to $100 a month. Um, like I said, my recommendation is start with manual scraping to see that it work. Once you're booking calls and making money, invest in a tool to scale. So your spreadsheet should look like column A, phone number. You should have phone number, first name, business name, location, city, industry. If you're targeting client, maybe having some industry or business name, it'd be like home address, um, first name, last name, phone number, simple set. You need at least around from to 100 to 200 contact to start seeing result. That's normal. Aim for 500 plus if you want to have consistent result. So that's what a hundred contact every day, and you have about 500 by the end of the week. Simple as that. And then this is really important for you to verify these phone number so that they are phone number and not landline. Because WhatsApp only work with mobile numbers. And you can only use tool like num-verify, landline verifier, those type, landline remover, those type of thing to check before adding them onto your list. Okay. Let's talk about the tool. You can't manually message hundreds of people. It's essentially just not that scalable. So I use WA Bulk Center. There are like plenty of other tools, like Wassenger, Watsender, but this one is the one I've been using. It works, so I'm not gonna switch it. First one's simple: download tools, import the list. So configure your setting, limit your messages to 50 messages maximum, um, so it doesn't get banned. Random intervals between 45 and 75 seconds, and then the active hour is 9 to 6 p.m. in their time zone, so you don't message people really late. You can try to message, you can test that out. Sometimes it works on the weekend, but most of the time they'll just get pissed. You're just wasting your lead. So just respect their time. Always use a tag. So what I mean by a tag is essentially just a merge tag, so you can use it to personalize. Like first name, business name, location. Those are the things that you can put in your message so that it will send you the right thing, I guess. Okay. And then make sure you test before you scale. So send 10 test messages to your own numbers or a friend to make sure that the personalization work, the timing is natural, and the message aren't getting flags. Only after the tests have passed, you would need to start the campaign. Okay. So here's how to create a good message. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Excuse me. So your messages is essentially everything. And I've sent thousands of messages and tested out dozens of variations. So here's what actually worked. So here's the four-part messages formula. First one, personalized greeting. Hey, first name, simple, just username, a few personal. Who are you? Something I have. This is Quan. No, don't put your company name or your fancy title. It's just your first name. Keep it casual so it sound like, oh, they know you. Three, a pattern interrupt. Okay, saying something like random questions. Just want to see if you are open. Just want to see if you want to save more time. Random question. Just want to see if you have one more client. Or like, oh, random question. I just want to work with you. Oh, this might be, this is random, but would you be open for a partnership? Hey, I will really want to work with you. Something really random as a pattern interrupt, and then you go into a value proposition with proof. So it's like, oh, we got a system that gets us 20 to 40 client every single month, and maybe you put location in there, and you can say, oh, we have already had people, um, just like your neighbor Josh, or like, oh, just like the company down the street. Those type of thing will get people to just click. Because referral is the most important thing. Okay. So the important thing that you have to notice here is the thing that I say is open to the partnership. It gives them a low pressure and a collaborative tone. 20 to 40 client specific result, so you're not giving them a fake claim. And then, like I said, if you say, "Oh, this has worked for Josh down the street," this show that you have local knowledge and that build trust. Simple. Part five, just the easy next step, or like, can I call you tomorrow? Make it sort of specific, so it's just a yes or no question. Low commitment, and it's easy to say yes to. Boom. And then you go, the complete message is, hey, this is Quan, random question. And want to see if you're open for a partnership. Um, we got a system that gets 20 to 40 client every single month. Um, just like you can add something like 20 single month. We have been working with Josh on the street. Want to see if you want, can I call you? Just want to see if you're open for something like this, or can I call you sometime tomorrow? Make it short, under 50 words, personalized, value focus, and low pressure. Just have a clear CTA. Okay, so that's pretty much it for how you would start the conversation. Um, you can test multiple things. Just write as much a different angle to your value proposition. Say, oh, instead of getting you 24 client, or like, oh, I can make 10 extra revenue, or oh, I can save you 20 minutes of your time, or like, oh, I can blah 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 blah. Try different angle, try different, instead of putting it in a partnership angle, maybe put it, oh, hey, just want to see if you want to test a new program. Try something so that you can show people that you are not the dangerous one here. Just build that trust. Next, or the following up. So something that I have for my follow-up is so that people can just remind them to and reply to it just like, hey, just bump this in case if you miss it. Still open to chatting about getting more customer, blah blah blah, or like, oh, just chatting about just, or you open to getting your lawn mower, something like that. Second one is, I know that you're busy. Second one is just a bit more value focused. So I say like, hey, I know that you're really busy. I just sent over a quick case study of how we have helped businesses in city to add 25K in revenue last month. I thought might find it interesting. Let me know if you want to chat. Boom. The last one, just this is the final fault. Three fault, that's it. This is the breakup message. Just say, hey, haven't heard back from you, so I'm guessing the timing isn't right. No worry us at all. If things change and you want to talk about scaling, feel free to reach out. Good luck to everything. Boom. Or that may get people just thinking, oh, you're going away, and maybe they'll chase you. But if you have follow up with them 3 times and they haven't replied, that's a no go. So, how do you handle reply? To handle reply, faster you apply to someone, the higher the booking rate. The moment they say, "Oh yes, I'm interested," tell me more, or what do you have exactly, immediately suggest a call, and don't explain everything over text. Never do that. Just say, "Hey," instead of telling you this over the phone, what would you be open for a call on Zoom tomorrow, or like, would you be on a call right now? So you can just then you're gonna say, awesome, are you free for a quick 15-minute call tomorrow at 2 p.m. or like, so I can walk you through how this work and see if it work for your business. Or like if you have something more neutral and more um cautious, you say, maybe you say, what's this about? Or like, who are you? Those type of question. Just yeah. Or I just stop for no reason. But if you have someone neutral, just quickly explain it so that it's not too specific. It's like, oh, we are open for you to test it out or something like that. Or oh, can I call you tomorrow? Always push for that call, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it for follow reply and handling everything. So that's basically part one of my outreach playbook. If you want more of this, just let me know. I will add the part where you can go into automation and everything like that. This so far will get you in the door, getting client and booking call with them. But other than that, if you want a system to get 5 to 10 qualified client every single month, let me know and check out not check out my automation, my auto sell generation course below, and it essentially composed everything I've learned in the past 2 years to get client that might be helpful for you. Check it out, but then that later.